thumbnail vibes, you know what's up. Hey, it's your boy Big J 97. I'm trying to keep looking at the lens, bro. I keep looking at myself. I know I need to just flip that screen around. But look, it's your boy Big J 97. We back again with yet another sneaker unboxing. As y'all can see, we got some off-whites. Like I told y'all, I had 2 pair. This the second pair. So unless like some of the details is way different, we ain't gonna make this too long. We're gonna make this nice and quick. You feel me? Same box. Shoe box in the top corner. You know what's up. Dust bag. Off-white on a dust bag. You know what's up. Yeah, same little booking card. Authenticity and you know all of that stuff. Oh shit, I'm showing y'all the blank side. You know. Ultimately need that usual books and shit like Floss say. Alright, let's pull them out. I don't know which one I like best, but here we go. Got the white with the white and black and the black X. I don't know which one I like best. For the most part, it kind of look exactly the same. We got shoelace, you know it, black Nubuck X. Yeah, black Nubuck X. Vulcanized on the bottom sole. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. See if the tongue says the same thing. Yeah, tongue says the same thing. By, oh yeah, both laces say shoelaces. Off-white code by Virgil Abloh, made on earth, designed on a plane. You know what's up. You know what's up. This is not the one with the tag, so this one gonna have the hand and the off on the insole right there. You see it? Clean. Back tab, same like I said, it got the off-white stitched into the black, but you can't really see it unless you got it in your hand. Then it says off-white, made to resist. Let's crack the other one out. See what we getting into. Okay, same green tag. Yeah, same green tag. And you can see, oh yeah, I forgot to show y'all. Inside tag, size 46. It's a 13 US. Got the face on the insole of this one. Got your tag on this one. Oh shit, I hit the lens. From 100% ocean plastic. Then on the back, established 2013 zip tie. See if we can catch that eyelet. It says off-white and it says eyelet. I still don't know if y'all can see it, but show you anyway. Nothing too different on it. It's the same shoe, so shouldn't be shit too different, you know what I mean? You see how the black is on top of the white and it's not just one piece, the actual pieces that's stuck together, bro. No bowing on the sole of the shoe. Very strong sole, very strong sole shoe. Yeah, bro, that's pretty much, this is just a quick one, because like I said, I already did the matching version, or you know, the twin, so to speak. So we ain't gotta get too in depth on these. You can't really get too in depth on them though. They you know, for the most part they're a plain shoe. But how I would do it is, you know, since they basically the same colors, since they're basically the same colors, I'll probably rock them like this. Like one of each. Oh, Jesus. Spam called me. I'll probably rock them like this though, like one of each. What y'all think? One of each or nah? One of each or nah? Oh yeah, that's cool. The blacks match up. Didn't know that. They match up. They make an arrow. That's cool as fuck. But how y'all think? One of each? One of each? I think I'm gonna go with one of each. One of each for sure. Put them back up. My bad, y'all. Alright. But yeah, man, quick video. Holla at y'all on the next one. Like if you want to, comment if you want to, subscribe if you want to, because at the end of the day, you gonna do what you wanna do. You know what I'm saying? Go tell your granddaddy to tell her, go tell his 25-year-old girlfriend to tell her little badass kids to come subscribe, because we get to it on this side. You know what I'm saying? To the next video. About